you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my babe. No time, no. I'm a dog.
The next day.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Welcome to episode 4 or 5, I don't know, we'll figure it out, of my moving series. And we are in my new apartment. I am so excited. I'm gonna give you guys like an empty apartment tour. So far all I have is my Wi-Fi. This is great. This is really great. I am in a studio apartment, which doesn't really give studio. It's like kind of gives 1 bedroom, but yeah, let's get into it. I like it. It's literally so cute for me. I just like it so much. Like, I love it. I'm in love. Like, look at the lighting. Like, this is amazing. Like, literally. What we're gonna do is do some cleaning, deep cleaning, before all of my furniture and stuff gets here. Wi-Fi is done. Target, and we came to get cleaning supplies like toilet paper and all that good stuff. We're having a hard time figuring out what color we're gonna do the kitchen, but we're looking for a lamp now. I like this one. I like this one better. I'm trying to teach my mom how to be a good camera lady, and she's not getting anywhere actually.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone. We just got back from the store. Yesterday I stopped talking to y'all because we were just too busy and just too tired. We have to unload the wagon and do some more cleaning, because yesterday we failed to get important items. Yesterday we went to Lowe's, IKEA, At Home. Okay guys, so my camera died earlier. We have everything somewhat cleaned up. So we're gonna go get food now. So
A few moments later.
time.
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.